In this video, I'm going to show you how to place some mud guards on this Toyota Tacoma. The procedure for all four is exactly the same, so I'm just going to show you the front driver's side, but like I said, repeat the step 3 more times and have all of them installed. Remove the screws that hold it on. Reattach the mud flap. And that just had 3 screws going into those clips. When you tighten these, just snug them, otherwise it'll strip out the plastic insert and you can't tighten it anymore.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.